How to insert a PDF into Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to add a PDF directly into your Word document. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. After that, click on the Insert tab at the top. From there, click on Object in the text group. At this point, a small drop-down will appear. Click on Object again from that list. In the next step, a new window will open, so click on the Create from File tab. Following this, click Browse and select the PDF you want to insert. Once done, click Insert to confirm the file. From here, click OK to add the PDF into your document. At this stage, the PDF will appear as an image showing only its first page, and double-clicking it will open the full file. Keep in mind, this method embeds the PDF as an object, so if you want the actual PDF text and pages to appear within your Word content, you'll need to convert or copy the pages manually instead. Finally, save your document to keep the inserted PDF in place. And that's it. If this guide helped you insert a PDF into Microsoft Word, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.